Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm from RPIIT College, Karnal. Today we are going to learn about total characteristics of software in software engineering. Let's start with the characteristics here. Our first characteristics is functionality, which defines it refers to what the software is capable of doing, means in a functional way. It signified that a core characteristics of the software requirements functionality ensures that software performs its intended task and aligned with user needs. It also defines that the set of features and the capabilities that a software application or system provides to its user. It composes the core tasks and operations that software is designed to perform, essentially defining what a software does and how it does it. The functionality is often described through functional requirements, which details the specific behaviors and interactions. Then we'll move on to the usability, which means the user-friendly approach, which measures how easy and intuitive the software is to be used. Significance is usability is the key for user satisfaction and productivity. Then efficiency, which means that it describes how well the software uses system sources like memory and CPU. Its significance is efficiency, which ensures better performance and resource management. Like what kind of resource being managed? It resources also include the like people. A critical software characteristics in software engineering. Then the flexibility, it means that ease in which software adapts to changes. Flexibility systems are easy to maintain and upgrade, aligning with the evolving in software requirements. Any other, even flexible in the software, like what kind of requirements change are there in the initial or the ending stage of the software development. Then the reliability, the ability to perform whether without failure under the specific conditions. So these all five are the characteristics of software engineering: portability, usability, maintainability, then uh, and portability. Portability is like something which is how much portable it is. We can also say portability in software engineering, the ability of the software application to be transferred or run on the different hardware operating systems, or we can say software platforms with the minimal modifications. So this is the platform where the key aspects of the portability is platform independent, minimal modification, standard compliance, and the abstraction layers of frameworks, which means that the isolate the software from specific platform. So this is it for the video. If you like our channel, do like and subscribe. Thank